Jody here with the producers firm. I'm sure you've heard a lot about it. You'd be under a rock if you haven't, but AI is really taking over a lot of um, Jody here with the producers firm. I'm talking to you today about something you probably have heard, probably under a rock if you haven't, which is AI. And some folks are very scared about it. Some folks are embracing it. Some folks are totally confused about how I could use AI as part of my practice. I'm just going to demonstrate for you something very simple. And as time goes on, we'll introduce to you more and more ways that we're using AI as part of ways to increase efficiencies. This demonstration, like I said, very simple, but it could be a time hack that could save you some time in doing manual calculations. So I'm just going to share with you a tool that is easily accessible. You can join Chat GPT certainly, or you could simply just use Microsoft's Bing network or server or search engine. I've typed into that search engine a calculation. A client of mine wanted me to take their account divided by multiple beneficiaries and had specific amounts that they wanted each beneficiary to get. I'd have to manually figure the percentages based on those amounts. But what I did is I went ahead and just typed in calculate the percentage for dividing 300,000 with the following amounts. And then put a colon between the amounts with the dollar signs, hit submit, and let's see what happens here. So it's thinking, it's responding, and now it's calculating. So very quickly, it's taking that amount, dividing it into the percentages. And now what I simply have to do is copy and paste this onto a Word document, type in the beneficiaries for each percentage, have a document ready to prepare for a client to sign, and the AI did all the work for me. So once again, a very simple use tool for how to use AI in your practice. Hope you found that helpful. And as I said, we're going to be offering more and more ideas as we go along.